easy to understand. Then we have our celebrations. Celebrations which are done throughout the year, and I'm sure that all of you must be aware through the planner and the calendar which comes to you at the beginning of the month that what celebrations and events are going to be done for the classes. Then we have our foreign languages. Our nursery children, from nursery children, they have been introduced to French language. Bonjour. So everyone, bonjour. So they are learning, even the teachers being in their class, they are learning some words over there. And from nursery to Prep 2, they have been introduced to French. They have been introduced to the French language, as well as some of the children who have already gone through those languages, they are also learning new words. And in Prep 2, only a new language is introduced to them, that is German language. So, Guten Morgen, that is good morning. And then we have upcoming events in Angels Paradise. It is a plethora of celebration and events that happen throughout the year, where learning means fun. To name a few, we have upcoming one is our Grandparents' Day, festival celebrations which are done throughout the year, Sports Day, Annual Day, and Kidsathon, a marathon event for kids only. So keep your seatbelts tightened and join for more learning, more fun, and more laughter all around. Thank you parents for being part of Angels Paradise Academy and trusting your precious ones to us. We would kindly request parents to be seated during the performance and kindly refrain from taking photos and videos because we are doing the same for you and they will be shared with you. So be patient, enjoy their dance performance, and as they say, cherish the beauty of their performance. They have worked very hard. Their class teachers, the children, the aunties, the staff, everybody has been involved very diligently in the program. So enjoy the program and all the photos and videos will be shared with you. Thank you so much. Sudha ma'am, I hand over the stage to Sudha ma'am.
A very good morning to all the parents present here. So I, Sudha here, would like to extend a warm welcome to each one of you as we gather here today to celebrate the glorious occasion of our nation's 77th Independence Day. Today, we come together not only to commemorate the day our nation earned its freedom, but also reflect upon the values and sacrifices that have shaped our journey as an independent country. It is a day of immense pride for every citizen of India as we honor the struggles and perseverance of our forefathers who fought bravely for our independence. So without much ado, I would like to call upon our Prep 2 children, Yuvika Deshmukh, Dishant Kasar, Aravya Jha, and Rudved Girish on stage to deliver their welcome speech. So please give a huge round of applause for our children.
With immense pride and happiness as we celebrate We are the country made up of people from all walks of life, but we are united by our common love for India. Let us come together to build a better future for our country. May this Independence Day bring us peace, prosperity, and happiness. Let us work together to make India a better place for all. Thank you. As we rejoice in the festivities of the Independence Day, let us also remember the solemnity of the occasion. Let us honor the sacrifices of our forefathers and recommit ourselves to the ideals that make our nation great. May the flame of freedom continue to burn brightly in our hearts today and always.
Very rightly said, children, and thank you so much. And please put your hands together for Prep 2 children. You did great.
Patriotism is more than just a feeling of love for our country. It is a commitment to the well-being and prosperity. It is about cherishing our nation's values, respecting diversity, and working towards its progress. By being responsible citizens, supporting our communities, and upholding our nation's values, we contribute to a stronger, more prosperous India. Let us pledge to show patriotism and not just in words but in deeds, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. So please put your hands together to hear what our little patriotic have to say. I would like to call upon Avishka Rao and Darshika Srivastava from Red Team on stage.
देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हम कोई बोले तो गर्व करेंगे भारतीय हम। अपने देश की रक्षा करना केवल जानबूझ कर अपने बलिदान देना फर्ज है।
So true and rightly said, children. Thank you.
Thank you so much, children. That was amazing. The sacrifices of our army personnel extend far beyond the battlefield. They are an epitome of courage, dedication, and selflessness in the defense of our nation. They stand as guardians of our freedom, sacrificing their comfort and offer their lives to ensure our safety and security. Our soldiers embody the highest ideals of patriotism and service. Their sacrifices ensure that we can live in a free and secure society where we can pursue our dreams and aspirations without fear. Through the first dance performance by our Prep 2 children, let us salute our army personnel with deep respect and heartfelt gratitude. Let us take this opportunity to thank all our soldiers, past and present, for their courage, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to our country. So, with high spirits and heart, I would like to call on stage our Prep 2 Jawans for their electrifying and energetic performance. So, please put your hands together for our participants. Viti Singh, Rehan कदम, युविका देशमुख, मीनाक्षी उपगंती, श्लोक जैन, तारा एम काळे, कयान अय्यर, दर्शिका श्रीवास्तवा, इयाना खेरा, फालिया रैना,
Parents, please applaud for all the children who are coming on the stage. Thank you.
ऋत्विक गिरीश, वानिया सक्सेना, आराबिया झा, श्रेयांश रौनिया and Kia Gaikwad. So parents, please clap for them and please motivate them. They have worked really hard.
Parents, kindly request you to sit because ma'am is at the back and she'll be guiding them. Please sit. Thank you.
dedicated their lives to the freedom struggle, inspiring millions with their courage, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to the ideals of justice and equality. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, and many others led us through the darkest days of colonial rule, guiding us towards the light of independence. Their sacrifices, resilience, and steadfast belief in the power of non-violence and unity continue to inspire generations. Their legacy teaches us the importance of standing up for what is right and for striving for the betterment of society. The next performance by our Prep 2 children is a tribute to these great leaders who have made significant and indefinable contributions in the form of sacrifices and by laying strong foundations for our democratic principles and institutions. May their performance inspire us all to strive for greatness. So let's put our hands together for our young patriots. I would like to welcome Anish Rao, Shriya Nambiar, Kritika Sharma, Navya Srivastav, Varshita Lakshmi, Jigar Yadav, Garvit Kumar, Arav Dubey, Avishka Rao, Kabir Singh, Viviksha Joshi, Saranya Roniar, Reva Raghuvanshi, Dishan Kasar, Ivan Ahire, Ridam Khanish, and Dev Dike. So please, parents, keep motivating and keep cheering for them. They have really practiced so hard. Thank you so much. Please enjoy the performance.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बैलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा दूसरा है जापान, हिंदुस्तान से मेरा दूसरा है जापान, हिंदुस्तान से रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान।
हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिया है जान ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
सुना बड़े शिकना सच जामना मातरम बंदे
Jai Hind! Amazing performance by Prep 2 children. Wasn't it good, parents? Thank you so much, Prep 2 children. Truly patriotic.
Now I would like to call upon Tia Patil and Jo Shah from Prep 1 to render the vote of thanks. put your hands together for Tia and Luke.
Hello friends, my name is Yusa. I come from Maharashtra. I am proud to be a citizen of India and to be a part of Swaraj, the Independence Day celebration and the Spiritual Secretary. Thank you. On behalf of all of us, I would like to thank everyone for being part of the celebrations and making it a success. And please no more than thank you.
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Luke, and thank you so much, Tia. On behalf of Angels Paradise Academy, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents who have joined us today. Your presence here means a lot to us. Your support and encouragement are valuable to our students' growth and development. Your involvement in their education and in school activities makes a profound impact on their learning journey. Today, as we honor the heroes who secured us with freedom, we also recognize the role you play in shaping the future of our nation through your children. Let us continue to work together, parents, teachers, and children, to build a brighter future for our children and our country. Your partnership and support are crucial in creating a nurturing environment for our students.